All right, fellas. I got a stack of Pakistanis here, all going to the auction tomorrow. Long Island auction. They all going to the auction. I got this crate here. German owls. Some really nice stuff. There's a little powder, white powder there. There's a couple of Iraqi type birds or Middle Eastern birds right there. There's another one right here. I got some swallows there. Here's another swallow. And there's another crate. Some booty, some Viennas, some Isabella triplets. There's a pair of black Portuguese tumblers. And right there's the figurita. There's a red figurita made into another figurita in there. Here's the other figurita there. So all this stuff is going to the auction. Long Island auction tomorrow. Long Island auction. Here we did these three here. Now we're gonna do these three here. Over here, we got black rollers, black ballhead rollers, and some awesome tiplets. And the tiplets are guaranteed to fly. Nice stuff. Nice grizzles. And in this coop, we got some reds, red check homers, some silver homers, and we got some flights, some black bearded flights, about 10 of them in there, and some blue flights. And that's all going to the Long Island auction. Long Island. Then the last crate. The last crate, we got some baldy caps. We got some demazines. We got a pair of Egyptian swifts there. A hen and cock guarantee. There you go. Some Rahanis. And that's all going to the auction tomorrow. Long Island auction. See you over there, guys.